The etude number 6 requires to use very advanced bow stroke, martelé at the tip of the bow. It's very hard to play at the tip. After a while, you will feel that this part of your bow arm is sore. So try to relax, try to keep a little bit lower elbow and turn the wrist this way. That will help you to give more energy to the bow, therefore they'll make the process of using this bow stroke much easier. There is very little flexibility in this part of the bow, compared to the middle part of the bow, where the bow is very flexible and it's much easier to get warmer quality of the sound. The tip of the bow delivers very clear yet light bow stroke. We can play at a frog, and this is also very strong part of the bow. However, the sound quality will be different. Let's compare. I will play first few measures at the frog, then in the middle part of the bow, and then at the tip. You could hear the sound is much more rough, strong, and articulation sometimes goes over the board. Now, middle part of the bow. You can hear the sound is much warmer, very smooth quality. So sometimes we could use this part of the bow to achieve this result. However, we'll get very special sound quality at the tip. And now, let's listen to entire etude.